action again.
Action!
Okay, let's start. Yeah.
How about this?
Below average. I think minus
Minus.
3.
We have people behind the camera laughing like really crazy, but moving on.
I don't like it honestly. And it says for a magazine cover, so I don't like it at all. Hot, very good looking, best style. No skinny jeans.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna sort your styling queries. And in-house we have Sanjoli with us, who is a stylist at Snitch. So hi Sanjoli. And because it's the first time Sanjoli is coming on camera, she's quite
Nervous.
conscious and nervous.
Yes. But we'll do well.
Yeah, we'll do well. So, we have some questions that we got from our followers who want to know like how to style different things in their wardrobe.
Sure.
And we want to know how you can or we can help them, make styling or pairing clothes better. So the first question that I have for you is how to style a polo sweatshirt.
A polo sweatshirt I think would look really great with our new bootcut pants that we have in multiple color options. I think it looks really nice with that. With cool sneakers, very nice look.
And like in terms of colors also, like we have like a very wide range of color options available. But the go-to, if suppose I have to like pick my go-to, say polo t-shirt, and say I want to make an outfit out of it, what should I look for or opt for?
I think there's an orange polo sweatshirt which looks really nice. Orange polo sweatshirt with really dark black bell bottoms or dark blue bell bottoms. I think that's one of my favorite look. Yeah.
And it will go well with, say, footwear wise, what?
Sneakers all time, white sneakers.
There's another question, and this is like the most asked question that we've received, is such an old money look.
I saw this coming.
Yes. So if we like had to say give options or like product categories or
I'll suggest the best old money look combo that we serve. I think an old money look is really trending right now. Every man is trying to achieve that look, I think, and every man should if they want.
Yeah, absolutely.
For a date night, best. Okay, so I think a nice polo t-shirt with really nice chinos, fairly dark colors preferable. I think really nice look.
Yeah. Okay.
You can pair them with loafers, very nice.
And I think accessories also we can add.
Yeah, a really good watch.
Yeah.
And best perfume for that night.
To top it up.
Yes.
Best perfume. Yes. And we have so many, so please check them out.
Yes.
Okay. Next is how to style a sleeveless t-shirt.
Sleeveless t-shirt fun, summers. I think sleeveless t-shirt best paired with really baggy denims, and to amp up the look, a nice overshirt on top. And sneakers again.
What about like a linen, say linen short, or like say linen, because I've seen many people who wear say sleeveless t-shirts for their vacations, like so maybe a short.
Maldives.
Yeah. So some must-haves in men's wardrobe.
I think a really good perfume and a really good watch. I think that's the best compliment a man can get. Plus some really classics, which are say a black shirt, black trousers, trending baggy denims, and baggy t-shirts. I think oversized t-shirts.
White t-shirt.
Yeah, white t-shirt is a classic. These are classics. I think classics are a must-have. Every man should have.
And what's your take on skinny jeans?
No. No skinny jeans.
Somebody who likes wearing skinny jeans but wants to also follow the trend, wants to wear something similar, what can they opt for?
I think slim fit. Slim fit works well. But try and avoid skinny jeans as much as possible.
Okay, so if you had to give say a few styling tips, what would it be, like go-to styling tips that everybody should follow?
I think considering formals, your trousers should always match your socks, and all your accessories should be the same color. So say suppose you're wearing black shoes, your watch should be black and your belt should be black. Yeah, I think that is one thing that we should really take care when you're wearing formals. Casuals, I think there's no hard and fast rule. There's no right or wrong.
Yeah. And in terms of say color combos, like some go-to color combos that you think works really well on anybody.
Okay, so I think good color combinations that I recommend are maroon and beige. Maroon on top, beige at the bottom. Very good combination for formals especially. I think to take it to casuals, a lot of pastels in trend because summers. So we have really cool pink shorts that have come in, very nice for holiday. So that with say white sleeveless t-shirts, like very nice combination. Pink and green is a great combination. Blue and beige is also works very well for most of the looks, for formals and for casuals. And classics are the best, black and white and blue and white.
What about orange, like orange, like very summery colors?
Orange and dark blue denims, very nice combination.
Yeah. So next we're gonna do is rate my look or rate the look say segment where I'll be showing some looks.
Celebrity?
No, like mix. This one. How about this?
Below average. I think minus 3
is
Zahid.
Yes.
Oh, very nice look. I think is very bold with prints and great color combination. Very nice. 10 on 10.
The next look that we have, I'm going to show her directly.
I think this looks like on kimono style.
But he used to wear like really good clothes. It's Karan Johar, by the way, and I've seen him wearing okay clothes, like good only.
This looks like a walking curtain.
Yeah.
4 on 10. So for his personality, it's great because he's somebody who can pull off say anything. That's what he's known for in fashion. I think good look, holiday look, good look.
Cords.
Yeah, very nice. I don't think anybody can do it like how Ranveer Singh does it. Like crazy, maximalist.
Okay. She's lost.
I'm out of words.
I'm not able to understand what it is. So, what do you think?
I don't like it honestly. And it says for a magazine cover, so I don't like it at all.
Yeah, but our ratings and everything is very subjective, and people people might not like.
Fashion is subjective.
Yeah. So.
But judgment.
No.
This is the look. This is Aishan Khurana. He has great sense of fashion. Pulls off well-styled clothes. But this look, I think 2. Yeah.
Okay, but I think not their fault. I mean, mostly it's the stylist who kind of takes care of everything. So, whatever you wear and whatever makes you look good,
whatever makes you feel confident, you should wear it.
Yeah.
Fashion is subjective.
Okay, so this was all about it. This was the first series of our Ask Us Stylist, and hope you liked it. We'll be continuing with such more series where we'll answer all your questions that you'll pitch in, and we'll come up with like different styling queries as well. So thank you for coming in.
Thank you.
And ending.
Like, share, subscribe to our channel.